Okay, just about ready. Got my truck bed full of water. Go and pour the ice in right now. Wyatt's ready. Put the ice over here, this side. Okay, ice is ready. Okay, now we gotta talk about who we're gonna challenge. So, my brother Joe challenged me. He also challenged my little brother Chaz and my sister, my big sister Gina. I haven't seen them do it yet, so I re-challenged them. And further, we would like to challenge Jake, Lindsay, Kobe, Sydney, Riley, Ava, and Mia Honey, as well as Dale, Rochelle, and their family, the Prices, you know, the Wave at the Bus guy. Challenge you guys as well. ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. You ready? Should we do a countdown? Yeah, get close. Let's see, we never tested this, so we're not sure. Let's go just a bit. All right, let's do a countdown. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
That was cold.
That was good, right?
Yeah.
I'll have to look up to see how much water that might have been. All right. Thank you. You're next.